Stuart, you popped down to say hello again, but you brought all the kit with you. Woo! Wow, check it out. Okay, so tell us a little bit about your bike, because these are looking really fancy.
Yeah, they are.
So what CC are they?
They've got a lot of work done to them. This is a Husqvarna 450cc.
Okay.
Basically, they're a brilliant bike. It's a bike I've been using this year through CCM Racing. I got a deal, and the components on them are pretty much high spec. You've got suspension worth to the guts of 6-7 grand. You've got exhaust pipes, ignitions, ignitions that are really expensive as well, and
the wheels are looking fairly bling as well.
Yeah, you've got Talon wheels.
Wow.
They're pretty good wheels, very good wheels to use in the race industry. And then obviously the Enjoy seat covers, Pro Taper bars that are all supplied to me by Pico.
So are the two bikes the same?
Yes, they're pretty much identical.
So
Just one bike is used only for racing and one bike is used for practice. So
okay.
one bike gets a little bit more love than the other.
So if you dump a bike, you can always have the other one to do if you're in trouble.
Yeah, if something happens, like with motocross, it's because of all the terrain and the muck and stuff like that, there's a lot of stuff goes on the bikes, so they do tend to have problems and stuff like that, so you have to have a spare bike and be able to change. This weekend I'm going to England. I'll go to Hawkstone Park for the third round of the MX Nationals.
Cool.
And then as soon as I come back Monday morning off the boat, I'll be heading straight to Australia.
Wow.
For a massive race, international race over there called Manchester 50,000.
Wow.
It's a race I've been looking forward to do for years. It's a bucket list race of mine, and I managed to organise it with a friend of mine over there, Michael Manton, and the organiser Willie Thompson has been kind enough to give me a helping hand over there, as well as the fifth element Kawasaki crew. They've been helping me too. So
cool.
it's a big thing I'm looking forward to. So obviously the travelling is going to be the hardest part of it, but I'll be on the bounce basically for the next 3 weeks travelling around.
Okay. Well, listen, thanks for coming into us.
Cheers, thank you very much.
Mind yourself.
Yes, I definitely
Keep her
will.
between the posts,
Yeah.
as they say.